Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of Personal Finance Today, we are covering the 10 books on personal finance you should be reading right now. If this sounds interesting to you, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Also, I will leave a link to all 10 books in the description below if you would like to pick any of them up on Amazon today. Now without further ado, let's take a deep dive on what 10 personal finance books you should be reading right now. For a better life, read these 10 books on personal finance. If you want to live a long, healthy, and prosperous life, money can play an important part. But while many people find it difficult to handle and comprehend finances, they often avoid developing their knowledge in this area because they find it too difficult. On the other hand, a well-rounded financial existence can actually allow you to achieve your aspirations. In order to help you better understand finance, we've put together this list of 10 personal finance books. You should be able to use these books at any point in your life, regardless of age or situation, to get the best financial advice available. 10. How to Make Your Money Last. This book is a must-read for anyone approaching or currently in retirement age since it emphasizes the importance of saving and investing during your 60s. It's a go-to guide for managing home equity or savings since it's simple to understand. The author, Jane Bryant Quinn, gives groundbreaking suggestions on how to save for retirement. If you're looking for a retirement plan that will help you keep on top of your finances, this is it. Even in your old age, you can count on financial security thanks to this book. 9. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Over 40 million copies of this gem of a book have been sold, and for good reason. For nearly 6 years, this book was a New York Times bestseller. Rich Dad, Poor Dad focuses mostly on the difference between how the rich and the poor regard money, and how this affects their lives. It's a terrific financial book that will give you a boost, or better yet, help you shape your financial outlook. There is a lot to learn from this book, which has been written by Robert Kiyosaki and Sharon Lechter, about the significance of financial literacy and accountability. 8. The Richest Man in Babylon. This George S. Clason book, widely regarded as a classic in the field of personal finance, places an emphasis on saving rather than spending. Because of the clarity with which it conveys financial advice, this book, published in 1926, is still widely used today. Charitable giving is also emphasized as a way to live within your means and avoid dangerous investments in the book. It's safe to say that the author has your best interests at heart, and this is an excellent resource for improving your financial literacy. 7. The Millionaire Next Door. Have you ever pondered how the rich got to where they are now? The book, written by Thomas Stanley and William Danko, is a must-read for everyone who wants to get started on the path to prosperity. It focuses on the 7 traits that all affluent people have in common. This finance book is a must-read for anyone under the age of 30 who wants to make a lot of money rapidly. 6. The Financial Diet, a total beginner's guide to getting good with money. There is a lot to learn about money management in the book, and author Chelsea Fagan has a wealth of knowledge to share. Not only do the readers learn about saving and investing, but they also learn about paying off debt, putting money aside for retirement, and much more. It also encourages you to open up a dialogue with your family and friends about money and finance, allowing you to learn and benefit from their own financial experiences. 5. Broke Millennial Takes on Investing, a beginner's guide to leveling up your money. Financially minded people have taken notice of the Broke Millennial series, and rightfully so. The second book in this series is a must-read for new investors because of its wealth of information. Author of the Broke Millennial series Eric Lowry now offers a step-by-step investing guide for novices that is simple to comprehend and helps you understand the market in light of your personal views and values. In addition to this, you gain a better understanding of financial concepts such as investing, saving, budgeting, rebalancing your investments, and more. 4. I Will Teach You to Be Rich. This is a well-balanced book that may be enjoyed by both adults and children. In just 6 weeks, you'll learn how to develop a financial strategy, implement it with your money, and put in place the frameworks necessary to increase your wealth over the long term. The author Ramit Sethi tells you how to get rid of credit card debt, automate your accounts for every month, buy a property, and many more practical life-changing nuggets of wisdom in this finance book. This is a wonderful book to read if you want to get your finances in order. 3. Money or Your Life, 9 Steps to Transforming Your Relationship with Money and Achieving Financial Independence. As a 368-page lengthy financial guide on how to become financially independent, financial independence is all over this one. Whether you want to retire early or want to achieve long-term financial security with an effective personal finance system, this book outlines simple measures you can take to get there. Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez, the authors of this book, teach you how to avoid getting into debt. It's possible to cultivate long-term financial habits that will make your life easier and more comfortable in the present. 2. The Simple Path to Wealth, Your Roadmap to Financial Independence and a Rich, Free Life. Collins' book does not shy away from or fall short of realistic investment advice in its approach. In this book, even the most complex financial concerns are covered. It's often regarded as a must-have resource for investors and early retirees alike, and for good reason. Definitely, this one will help you grasp some of the most difficult financial topics. 1. The Automatic Millionaire. As a result of its single-minded focus on automating your finances, the book is the best overall resource for personal finance advice. It's a must-read for anyone who wants to learn how to become financially secure. This is a must-read for anyone who wants to better understand personal finance in general. A financial strategy may be set up and put into practice as rapidly as feasible by David Bach, the author of this book. You're going to learn a lot from this one because of all the information and help that has been provided. When it comes down to it, reading the books recommended in this video can help you get started in finance or improve your financial management skills. In order to improve your financial status, it's critical that you gain a thorough understanding of your current financial situation and then select an appropriate financial book. Investing time in reading and learning about personal finance will pay you in the long run. Well, I hope you liked today's video. Don't forget if you want to pick up any of these books on Amazon, I will leave a link to each one in the description below. If you like this video and would like to see more videos like this one, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Until the next episode of Personal Finance Today, stay safe out there.